guys. Try to get y'all. Okay. Hi you guys. I am. Alright, I'm sorry, Stan. I should never move you. Hey, oh my god. Sorry, I'm grabbing what I need to grab. Okay. Alright, guys. A lot of stuff is happening. A lot is happening around me. And, yeah. Alright. So, what I'm doing is, I'm putting all of the mental health shirts in its packaging. Yeah. So I'm putting the size of them, and I'm putting shirt carriage instructions on how to wash your shirt. Over there like so, and then here go the last one. This one is a small. And I was like, why not film this? This is like a behind the scenes. Like, I'm late night prepping for our upcoming summer flash sale. It's small. And the shirts and skincare are going on a flash sale. Because tomorrow, well not tomorrow, today, I am going to pay for the shop upgrade. So I could post more products and do discounts. So y'all let me know in the comments what discount do y'all want me to run. What's the size? Large. Oh, I put them according how you run a shirt, small, medium, large. So I got all my large and small, medium in one day. Oh. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, I'm gonna come back. Well, y'all just don't see me pack all these. I guess I could talk to y'all about what's upcoming. So we just did our first inventory, and that was, and that was shipping. I'm tired, y'all. And that was shipping. So I just made it more easier on me. To be like that was fine for shipping. I'm just move on to like the little expense, and if I do need to go back to shipping, I can. It's just Christmas coming, and I got a plan for Christmas. So I'm trying to see how much I can get of inventory in that I need done. So I'm gonna move on. I have stuff lined up already. This is a lot. This is a lot. Because I really got most of my shipping stuff, but they could use a little bit more updation, so not that. Some like extra large. So I gotta do whatever. Over here. Okay. Now what my list is like. This is right outside. Everything is the same thing. That's why I said, hold on. Shipping could be easy because it's something like I'm adding on plus of what I already got. So, and I just start looking everywhere. I start looking at the boxes, post office boxes that won't be me no more. Ooh. Y'all don't let me forget. Okay. It was a go breathe for me because I'm like, oh, okay. So let me look here, here, and here. And let me see what I need. And let me see what I don't need so I won't overdo it. So I looked at the boxes. I said I need boxes. I need small, medium. Alright. So I think I ordered 2 small. I need a medium. So medium will have to go next. And oh yeah, I gotta scratch this off. I'll be right back.
Okay, you guys, we're back. As you can see, I have completed everything. I bagged them in the size they come in. This is our small and our self-love Valentine. Our spring collection. So I don't have my shorts on, but how the hell? A small in our Valentine's Day collection and a small in our mental health. A medium in, I think it's our spring. A medium in our mean tea and our medium in our self-love Valentine's Day. You have a medium in our self-love Valentine, spring, mental health, mental health, mental health, mental health, and mental health. You have a medium in those. Then you have a medium in our Valentine, a medium in our mental health, Valentine's. I said medium. You have an extra large in our Valentine's, a large in our mental health, a large in our Valentine's, a large in our Valentine's, and an extra large in our Valentine's. Last one, a large in our mean tea, a large in our mean tea, and a large in our self-love Valentine's. And that is all our shirts. These will be on the flash sale. When I mean the flash sale, it's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. And I need everybody to show up, show out. That's going to be in the flash sale. And yeah, I started packing up more things, or probably not. I'm just going to get ready to tone them down. And also, let me bring y'all with me to put them up. Sit y'all in a sit. Thank you. My PC in the way, but I'm putting them right here. All the mediums going together. Alright, over here still. Boom. Small can go right there. The large can go down there. Like so. And that's it, you guys. That's it. If you want to see more behind the scenes, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.